My name is Jace, and this is Fast Forward Design. Each week, I teach new fast tutorials with easy step-by-step instructions on all things design. Alright, let's get started.
In this tutorial, I'll show you 4 easy hacks to naturally stretch, expand, or mimic the background of your images in Photoshop 2020. Expanding or stretching the background of your photos is so important when we're trying to fit an image to a layout, fit an image to spec, or edit the size of a photo overall. In the first 2 hacks, we'll be using the content-aware scale tool to stretch and expand your background. For the first hack, go to Edit, Content-Aware Scale, and use the dot indicators to slide the image to make it larger. You'll see that up to a certain point, only the background will stretch. But once you go beyond that point, the subject will also start to stretch, which we don't want to happen. So stop at the point right before the subject starts to stretch and click Enter. If you find that you're having difficulty stretching this way, here comes hack number 2. You'll do everything the same way, but this time, select the rectangular Marquee tool to make a selection of the area. Just make sure you leave out the subject. And again, go to Edit, Content-Aware Scale, and stretch the image. This hack will either allow you to prevent stretching the subject or allow you to stretch the background even more. In hack 3, we're going to use the Content-Aware Fill tool. Use the lasso tool to lasso around the space you want to fill. Then go to Edit, Fill, and make sure it's set to Content Aware and click OK. In this hack, Photoshop will automatically fill that part of your photo with what it thinks would go there, so in this case, the background. And if none of these other 3 hacks work, here is number 4. In this hack, we're going to duplicate a part of the image and replicate it. First, use the rectangular Marquee tool to select the area of the background you want to duplicate. Then, right-click and select Layer via Copy. And move that copy to the area you want it to be. Then go to Edit, Transform, and flip horizontal. And move that further to exactly where it's supposed to be. Once your images are aligned, then you need to merge those 2 images so you can make further edits. And to naturally merge those 2 images together, I usually use the patch tool to make little edits so that the photos look seamlessly together. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial on how to stretch or expand your backgrounds with 4 easy hacks. And as always, let me know if this hack worked for you in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fast and easy design tutorials.